If you want to invest, you're going to need what's called a platform to invest on. A platform is an online service that allows you to manage your investments in one place. I'm going to show you the 5 best platforms currently available and tell you my personal favourites. But which one's right for you will depend on your specific circumstances. So, what should you be looking for when choosing an investment platform? The most important thing is low cost. The less you pay in fees and charges, the more you keep for yourself. You also want a platform that is user-friendly. But remember, the most successful investors keep trading to a minimum and check their investments very infrequently. If you use a site that automatically rebalances your portfolio periodically, and I strongly recommend you do, you only need to log in every year or so. Also, don't be impressed by sites that boast about all the different things you can invest in. Believe me, choice in investing is overrated. In some ways, the less choice you have and the simpler you keep it, the better it will be. So let's start with AJ Bell. I like AJ Bell because its fees are competitive, especially for those with larger portfolios. It also offers an intuitive interface and a range of educational resources online. On the negative side, its fee structure can be a little complex. Interactive Investor operates a subscription-based model, charging a flat monthly fee. That can be cost-effective for investors with larger portfolios, but it's not so appealing for those with smaller portfolios. A gripe for me is that, if anything, there are too many options to choose from, which can be somewhat overwhelming. Next up, Trading 212. I like it because both its mobile and web platforms are clean and intuitive and therefore suitable for beginners. Also, there are no platform or custody fees for holding ETFs in your account. Now for my 2 favourite platforms, the first of which is Vanguard Investor, which I've used myself for a long time. Vanguard has a long-established reputation for transparency and value for money. As well as its very low fees, I love its simplicity and its focus on passive funds, which are far superior to active funds. Its life strategy funds, which let you invest in passive stock and bond funds in whichever proportion suits your personal capacity for risk, are an excellent option. But bear in mind, you can only invest in Vanguard's own funds. Narrowly, my favourite investment platform right now is InvestEngine. The one downside is that you're restricted to using ETFs. But DIY investors can use the platform free of charge, and there are no hidden fees. You only pay the expense ratios of whichever ETFs you invest in. Both its mobile and web platforms are easy to use. In short, InvestEngine is ideal for both new and established investors. Unusually, it also offers businesses the option to invest surplus cash. As we've seen, all 5 of these platforms have their pros and cons. And just to reiterate, there isn't one platform that's right for everyone. Much depends, in particular, on how much money you have to invest. If you already have a fairly large portfolio, either AJ Bell or Interactive Investor is likely to be your best bet. For everyone else, Vanguard Investor and InvestEngine are the standout options. The information in this video is for educational and informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Always do your own research, and if you're in any doubt, consult a qualified financial professional. If you've enjoyed this video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and leave a comment. Until next time, goodbye.